I think the secret is not trying to squeeze every ounce of power out of it. Because I really like the low power feel, either on throttle all the way or off throttle.
We got to tackle this one. KA or SR?
Why not both?
That's what I be saying, man.
Hey, KA is a big block SR, just saying.
That's a weird way to put it.
It's already stroked and honed.
But why do so many of them fail?
Poor build.
Especially, well, like not, sorry, people are going to scream at me for saying that. KAs are great. You can piss in them and they'll still run.
It's true.
But as soon as you turbo them, I see a lot of people have issues.
Because they want...
What is that issue?
They want built engine power on stock block. See my Z, 5 PSI. Daily driven, street abused, drift track, overheated, probably. I don't have games in it, so probably... You know, no problems, no complaints. Good engine. Found it in the junkyard.
That's how the VQ was when that car still had a factory motor.
Really?
It was just a 170,000 mile junkyard motor. Had no idea the life of it.
Those junkyard motors.
It hit. I could not get it to blow up, dude. It's crazy. Anyways, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I think the secret is not trying to squeeze every ounce of power out of it. Like even my RB, I have the boost turned down. It's a Neo on my S13.
How much boost are you running on?
5.
5? That's it? Damn.
You don't need more than that. I mean, you could, but like for me,
I don't know about it.
I want to be able to beat the fuck out of it and just know it'll take it, and then drive it home.
Fair.
Because I don't have a truck and trailer.
I want to hit 20 psi and leave it.
20. Yeah, 20 would feel crazy, but for a short amount of time.
Yeah.
I want mine to last forever.
I want to keep it comfortable about 17 psi and just have it run healthy.
It'll take it too.
Oh yeah. Dude, I watched the previous owner beat the living dog shit out of that motor on this turbo.
Oh really?
That was going out very easily on a Niztune ECU. So just controlling
that's sketchy.
The boost gauge, and he had it pumped up to what his math was about 19. And I'm like, what? And it just took it all the time. He'd fucking go up to Beach Bend and, stand on left foot brake and limiter around the entire track doing LS Fest layout. Nuts.
That's great.
And it just took it. So I was like, I'm sold. I'll take that. And it just keeps...
I guess it also plays into what kind of drifting style you want to. Because I really like the low power feel. Like having to just like, you're either on throttle all the way or off throttle. Like just...
I do agree.
It makes the driver good. And it makes it fun. Especially when you connect a lap.
That's the roots of it.
Exactly. The core.
It's the best part.
Core is important.